So yeah, after my first gig in the gym, I kind of got so busy. I shot a wedding. It was a very long wedding, and I got so tired. And then I shot another wedding, and the next day I did have sleep. I have around on the first wedding I didn't have any sleep, like 30 minutes or something. Second wedding I had around 3 to 4 hours sleep or less. So yeah, I haven't been to the gym, and I apologize for that. But we're gonna try to go to the gym later, which I doubt. I might go tomorrow. I might go tomorrow. So yeah, it's been a few days after, and I just had one session, and I need to go back there. So yeah. But anyway, I was shooting a wedding. Like when was that? Monday, and I was shooting a wedding Sunday also. So I had a long workout. My Monday shoot was around from 6:30 to around 11 p.m. And I got so tired, I went down. I'm just trying to make excuses. So I went down and just lay in bed the whole day. So I got my workout then, but I need to go back to the gym. Yeah, we'll see if I can update this video or supplement this video with anything. I'm going back to the gym. Yes, I am. So as I was saying yesterday, I'm going to try to go to the gym. Didn't happen. Today it's not going to happen. It's around 1:30 a.m. and it's supposed to be heavy rains. But there was just, a lot of rains. Some areas are flooded. But right now we're not going to the gym because I'm tired. I'm going to be shooting a wedding tomorrow afternoon. And then I'll be shooting another wedding on Saturday. Almost the whole day. So, yeah. We're not doing anything. We're not going to the gym. Maybe Sunday, but not today. Okay? Okay. So I'm documenting this because I'm counting out the days that I haven't been to the gym and also the days I'm going to the gym. So this is one of them. Yeah. So posting this now.